Welcome to the Mercury Minute.
Monday, March 8th. The moon is in Sagittarius as the day begins, and then the moon enters Capricorn. With the moon in Capricorn, keep to the simple and organize your home and work location for the best use of today's energy. The mystery of life is like the waves of Morpheus, especially concerning relationships. Silence is a way to get in touch with your inner awareness. Silence is a way to get in touch with your wisdom. Tomorrow's opposition of Venus and Saturn has influence on you into the next week. Slow down and give each moment the attention that is needed before you proceed. Excess is to be avoided. Therefore, keep to the middle way. There is plenty to do and much needs to be done before you can accomplish without effort. Be on guard with relationships today. Be considerate and listen. This is it, and I am it, and so is that, and he is it, and she is it, and it is it, and that is that. James Broughton and Joel Andrews. Monday, March 8th. That's your Mercury Minute.